Go into my factory. Right now is 1 o'clock AM and I'm finished at this mini excavator wheel repair. Bore is done. Here is a old worn out shaft. Here is a new one, and then here is two bearings, lock rings, spacers, covers, etc. Here is side holders what holds this shaft with wheel into the excavator chassis frame. This was here like a bushing, you know. This I faced it by my milling machine, like this one, and then here too. And here we can see a different in here, and here is two difference. One spacer is longer than another one. And here we can see a full box with repaired two track wheels, and then here is a new shaft. Here is a side spacer with a cover, locking ring, bearing, spacer, bearing, lock ring, and spacer with cover. And this sandwich must be put into this wheel. Like so. Inside of this wheel is done. Outside is welded, but maybe this weld is a little bit ugly because this measure is 85 millimeters. It's same smallest measure what can be right here. So little bit messy it looks, but it's fine. So customer at 7 AM can get these pieces. So now time to relax. Thanks for the watching, good luck, and have a nice day.